This is the instructional video for Plastic Welding Technology's new long industrial portable sewing machine for in-field sewing of geotextiles. The machine comes with 2 spools of thread, a shoulder strap, oil, spare needles, and tools. Begin by inserting the thread spools. Make sure they're loose enough to dispense the thread. When facing the machine, the spool on the left goes through the looper and the spool on the right goes through the needle. The threading path for the needle runs down the front, then along the bottom of the machine, while the threading path for the looper goes over the top and then down into the back compartment. To thread the looper, unplug the machine and lift the presser foot lever. Under the handle is a disc you can rotate manually to advance the needle. Spin it until the needle is retracted out of the way. Next, remove the 3 screws on the bottom plate. Make sure the looper compartment door is closed to free the plate. Open the door and cycle the machine until the looper is in the up position. Feed the thread down through the top of the looper and then out the bottom hole towards the back of the presser foot. Close the door, drop the foot, and cycle the needle away from the foot. You can change out the needle by loosening its bolt. Locate the concave side of the new needle and make sure it points towards the presser foot arm. Don't tighten the needle yet. Lift the presser foot and cycle the needle into the machine. Both the hole from the needle and the looper need to align for the timing to be correct. If necessary, slide the needle in and out to fix the timing. Then tighten the needle. Finally, run the thread through the needle and the bottom of the presser foot, pulling the excess toward the back. Push the thread from the looper through the small hole in the middle of the bottom plate and replace the plate. Plug in the machine and pull both threads away from the back of the presser foot. While keeping them taut, squeeze the trigger. If the thread comes out looped together, you've correctly threaded the machine. When sewing geotextiles, place the machine on the material and clamp down the presser foot. Pull the trigger and move along at a good pace. Thank you for using PWT's new long industrial portable sewing machine.